If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Greetings, friends. Lend me your pens, inks. In fact, just give them to me. Can you dig it? I knew that you could. Mail call, whatever call, today. I had to order this when I saw this. Not particularly the ones you may see first, but the one I'll be reviewing even more so in a few weeks. This comes from Federalist Pens and Paper, from a gentleman named Frank. Hello, Frank. How you doing? So here we go. I'm going to open it up. The box comes pretty well packed. And let's see what you get. You get one of these. You might want to write this phone number down or write Frank's name and email or whatever, and because you might be wanting to buy some of this stuff. And let's get on with the unpacking. Now, you know, when Frank first got this in, I've been eyeing it. And I'll be saying, nah, I don't really need it, do I? Well, I knew I did, because in a minute you'll know why, I hope. Here we go. And then you just do it like that. Here it is. It's a box. But not just any box. It is the box. So I have to show you now because I'm really feeling this one. I better. And I'll give you all the details about this case. Let's open it up. This is a pen case, storage case for your pens. Okay, I've been wanting one that I could afford, and I believe this one, pretty decent price, 80 bucks. For me, that was a decent price. Let's open it up. That feels nice. No, you can't eat these, so. And we're gonna open this up. Nice and deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's for like 10 pins down there. And I believe 10 pins up here, about 20 pins. So I will reveal this to you later. I'm going to probably put, I don't know, Mont Blancs, Viscontis, Pilots, whatever in here. What I like to do then also is start polishing up my pens. Give them a little TLC, as they say. Alright, so that's that. Okay. Got one more. Here we go. There it is. This
is that like a vintage tooth pulling tool?
Yes, that's what they use to pull my teeth out.
Okay.
Good day. Good day. All right, so here you go. When I saw this on eBay, this was for a Mont Blanc to pull the nibs out. But also, I'm going to try to use this for something else. But that's going to wrap it up for today, my friends. I hope you all having a great weekend, and I will chat with you later. So, bye-bye.